project number 3, Mivla. Project no Mivla identify more different types of plants, no animal species inside the ecosystem, no area lo bisa. Mivla no jusuma project ya pe emitus pa inside no Mivla. Meeting say by one very interesting project from say once time you identify mo la one species or the mo la specific uses plan by you meet time once time you sabi by from main thing way stop say by me preserve ang ecosystem mo hindi puto baka so once time you sabi all uses all species where install ecosystem I tend to preserve them and by mo very interesting to from you may one main thing way stop you one say meeting one pareha one nakamana and meeting say all information by emi-kutu from by mi-percebe instalo nakamal tayo mana di kamo nakamal bali sabi sa one species instalo ecosystem din mo uses play yes may mano
Okay.